Nourish your skin now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you guys one of my favorite summer juice. This fruit is only found during this time. We are in summer, right? Let me show you guys, and that is ta-da! Look at it, guys. You know what it is? In Dutch, we call it Kirsche. In English, it is called cherry. So, and it has a very good health benefits. The health benefit is this: the juice helps to reduce the uric acid level in the blood and also deal with the muscle pains and build up stamina in you. Not only that, it has a lot of benefits. But before I will continue telling you the benefits of it, let's go straight to the kitchen and let me start showing you how I prepare this juice. Thank you so much if you are new to my channel. For my old and amazing subscribers, thank you so much for coming and checking on me. If you are new to my channel, don't forget, thank you so much for coming and click to the notification. Oh, guys, sorry, you know that now is summer, so I'm so sorry for the noise. Yeah, I appreciate you. Just sit and watch how I do this amazing juice. Here we go. I have here ginger. I'll cut the one I want to use for the making of the juice. Remove the back as usual and slice it. Wash it. So I have washed it, wash my knife again, go ahead and cut it very small. Just like, look at it, how small it is. And after cutting it, shift this one by the side, remove the knife, and bring, this is what I'm going to use. This process is very simple to do if you don't have food processor. But don't forget, if you want to use your juice processor, you have to remove the seed. You know, cherry contains seed. Remove the seed before using your juice processor. So, but this one I'm going to use, I'm going to separate the seeds from the juice. Keep on watching. So you need a bowl, and then you go ahead and start adding it inside here. If you don't want it to stain your hands, you can go ahead and wear hand glove. If you don't want that, so this one is okay. Then you add the ginger, after adding, close it very well and then start grinding it. Take a look at that. Then you go ahead and pour it here. Repeat the process till you finish grinding all. So this is the final one. take a look at the water at the bottom of it. So after adding the rest of it, I go ahead and wash my hands immediately. Guys, it's like it's like blood. As you can see the water here, that's how my hands is, but I have washed. So more benefits of cherry is it has an anti-aging properties comparing to other fruits, and it helps in slowing down the aging process by fighting those free radicals present in the body which make the skin look older. Not only that, it is an antioxidant and it is good for skin lightening. So right now I'll go ahead and pour water to rinse this one and add it here. That's my water. It. Did you see how thick it is? It's very thick. Okay, I'm not done with it. I'll add small water again on it. Turn it very well. Very well, but be careful, just be doing it slowly. After, you have to sieve it and then grind it again. So talking about more benefits of cherries promote weight loss by reducing the inflammation and lipids in the blood, which leads to heart conditions and weight gain. It also boosts heart health, yes, by reducing the risk of stroke without serious side effects that comes with prescribed medications. Do you hear that? Oh yes. And it treats osteoarthritis. So guys, if anybody that has osteoarthritis, you know the person, just tell him or her to be eating cherries, and at least the person will be well again. So not only that, cherries also helps sleep cycle. So right now you can go ahead and start removing the seed, because now it is very clear. You can see it very well, like I'm doing right now. This is the way I do this one. If you're the type that doesn't have juice processor. Or if the method I have shown you now, it's not easy for you, you can go ahead and use big bowl and big sieve. That will make it to be more easier for you, like I'm doing now. Pour all of them there. Sieve all. These are the two methods you can use. As you can see, this one is more faster for you. That's the seed. So after that, you go ahead again and use your mixer and blend all together. If you don't want how thick it is, you can go ahead and add small water again on it, because I added small water again before blending it. Now I'll go ahead again and sieve it for the last time. So here is my So guys, here is the final look of it. If you are the type that doesn't like sour taste, maybe the sour, then you can go ahead and add it honey. Or if you are the type that like sweet things too much, you can go ahead and add it honey. For me, so it is. I don't need to add anything. But for my kids, I always add honey for them. So that's the juice for you. Tastes so good, guys. This is not my first time I'm doing it. Write on the comment section the best what you can use on it. For me, as you can see, I add ginger. You can go ahead and add anything you want to add, but I think ginger is the best option. Nourish your skin now that we have a lot of cherry around you. Buy it, make it, and let your skin glow. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.